Remove the large trim cover. Remove the interior panel clips. Take off the interior panel. Disconnect the wiring harness. Remove the screws. Remove the original trunk lid. Remove the lock mechanism. Remove the external panel mounting screws. Remove and detach the external panel. Remove the camera. Install the carbon fiber trunk lid. Tighten the screws after adjusting the gaps. Install the lock mechanism. Adjust the position of the lock and latch. Use suitable tools to adjust the camera mounting hole. Apply glue to the camera. Stick and secure the camera after adjusting the angle. Use suitable tools to adjust the hole size. Install the plug and wiring harness. Install the interior panel and accessories.